Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk a little bit about why the future belongs to the generalists, or what I like to call them, the full stack people. And in an age where specialists gets a lot of attention, I think it's important for us to recognize the growing importance of the people who can do it all. Whether you're running a company, working in tech, or just trying to navigate your career, being a generalist might just be your biggest advantage. Let me break down why. So when I say generalist, I'm talking about someone who's good at a range of different things. They have broad knowledge across several areas, whether it's marketing, software, finance, psychology, or design. We call these people full stack individuals. They're not just limited to one specialty. They know enough about multiple fields to understand how they all connect. Well, think about it this way. Imagine hiring someone who's only good at sales but knows nothing about marketing, accounting, or how product even works. That person might be great at one thing, but they're stuck if they have to step outside of that box. That's why generalists are so valuable. They're not limited by narrow expertise. One of the main reasons specialists struggle, especially in fast-moving industries, is that real-world problems are rarely one-dimensional. When you hire someone who's only great at one thing, they can easily get stuck when the problem requires skills outside of their field. Take entrepreneurs, for example. If you only know how to do sales calls but don't understand marketing, product development, people management, or even customer experience, your business is going to have gaps, and you constantly will need other people to fill in those gaps, and that really just slows down everything. What sets generalists apart is their ability to see the bigger picture. They're not just focused on one piece of the puzzle. They're always asking why, digging into how things work across the entire business. They want to know how the financials work, how marketing strategies tie into product development, and understanding how all the pieces fit together. The way I see it, generalists are more curious. They are constantly learning. They're pushing to understand not just what you're working on, but how it affects the entire system as a whole. They connect the dots that specialists might miss. Now, let's get a little bit more practical. Why do I believe the future belongs to generalists? Well, in today's world, everything is just so interconnected. Marketing isn't just marketing. It involves technology, psychology, finance, and design. If you're only good at writing Facebook ads but don't understand how landing pages work, how conversion rates are calculated, or how to write good copy, you're not going to succeed in the long run. That's why full stack people, or as I call it, generalists, that's why they thrive. They're not just good at marketing. They know how to work with sales, finance, product development, and even customer support. This broad knowledge allows them to deliver better results faster because they understand how everything affects the whole system. Well, in the tech world, there's a term called full stack developer, which refers to someone who can code both on the front end and on the back end of a software application. But the real magic of a full stack developer is that they can manage the entire project without relying on a dozen of different people to handle each piece. A great full stack developer can take a product from idea to implementation because they understand the servers, the databases, the application, and even the UI, right? The user interface, as well as the cloud side of things. In a fast-moving startup, having someone who can handle all of this is incredibly valuable. When you rely on specialists, you waste time handing things off from one person to another. But a full stack developer can do everything themselves, which makes them 10 times more efficient. And this is why generalists are often faster and more effective than specialists in dynamic environments like startups. Generalists also make better leaders. Why? Because they understand all aspects of a business, from sales and marketing to operations and finance. They can have meaningful conversations with everybody on the team, and they're more empathetic because they understand the challenges in each department. So if you're a leader who only understands one aspect of the business, your decisions are going to be narrow and somewhat short-sighted. But if you're a generalist and you connect the dots, make better decisions and lead with a more holistic view of the business. So if you're someone who loves learning about different things, embrace that, right? Being a generalist is a huge asset in today's world. I'm not sure about the world in the past, but for today, the key is to have a broad understanding while also going deep in one or two areas. And this makes you what I call a T-shaped person. You have that broad knowledge base, but can also specialize when needed. This is exactly what companies need today. Businesses are looking for people who can adapt, learn quickly, and connect the dots across different fields. That's why the future belongs to generalists. And to wrap it up, the future is shifting toward a world that rewards those who are versatile and adaptable. Generalists are the only ones who will thrive because they can handle complexity, see the big picture, and adapt to change. So if you've ever felt like you don't fit into just one box, embrace it. The world needs more people like you who can tackle multiple challenges and bring in new, fresh perspectives to the table. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let me know, are you more of a generalist or a specialist? I'd like to hear more about your thoughts. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.